Hello, everyone. Hope you're having a great day, and thank you very much for checking out SalesMate, which is simple but at the same time quite powerful sales CRM for Notion. I developed this template for a friend of mine who's running a small development house, employing around 10 people. So I think it's pretty valuable and useful for anybody who's selling any type of service, either freelancing or running a small service agency or anything like that. Okay, so let me give you a quick overview of how the template looks like and how it works. So this is what you see on the dashboard, and essentially the template is composed of like two main databases. One is CRM, which is the main database to store your leads and track your leads, and the other database is called Deal Network, which is a database of people. But we'll get to that later. So let's explore the CRM first. So this is composed as a sales funnel. So essentially, here you can see all the leads in a qualified funnel view, and each lead, which you can add, obviously, has parameters which go from the usual, the basics, so contact, email, URL, status, which you can obviously change, deal value, and conversion probability. So essentially, your point of view on the value of the deal and what do you expect as the probability of the deal to convert to an actual sale. This will calculate a probability adjusted value of the deal, which I will also talk about a bit more later. And you can also put in follow up days, last contact date, and this automatically calculates days since you have been in touch with your prospect. And there's more parameters, so internal owner, so basically who's the owner of the lead, and lead source, which is a date which leads to, or you can link it to the people database, which I discussed. And obviously there is space for meeting notes, documents, action items, and next steps in every page of each lead. So this is how a lead page looks like. And coming back to the dashboard, basically what you can see in the business views section is different views on the main CRM, right? So one or two which I think are really interesting is pipeline value. So this view gives you an overview of your leads, their conversion probabilities, the deal values, and the calculated probably adjusted values. So you can actually see what is the total pipeline value and what is your probably adjusted value. So you can plan accordingly. Another interesting lead is the action view, which gives you a pretty simple view, but I think a pretty useful one, which shows you days since last contact, and it shows you only the leads where an action needs to be taken from your side and what's the next step. Going further, just to show you quickly the deal network, which is the people database, you can really use this for either your network of introducers, your affiliates, or even your internal sales personnel. This is how each card looks like for each person. Pretty standard stuff, but what you can do here is to adjust commission levels. So if you want to pay a commission on a deal to your network, you can put it here, right? So it's either, let's say, 10%, and you can see in the business views another business views commissions calculator, which basically gives you your introducers, their commission levels, and if you have assigned any deals to them, it calculates the total commission that is payable to these people. In the bottom, you have action buttons. Pretty simple, basically adding new leads, adding new persons to your databases, and that is pretty much it. I mean, it's found SalesMate is a simple yet I think pretty effective and powerful tool to manage your sales in a small service business. Hope you like it. Thank you very much for checking out SalesMate, and hope you have a great day and hope it's useful for you.